bought 100 acres of land. This is a 10 by 10 grid, so there are 100 boxes in it. It says she wants to grow apple, peach, and cherry trees on her land. Color the model to show how the acres could be distributed for each type of tree. So we're going to make yellow be the apple, green is the peach, and cherry is the blue. You can break this up into whatever amounts that you want, as long as you get all three in there. So I've colored 26 yellow, so the percentage of apples is 26. As a fraction, we can write 26 over 100, or if we want to reduce it, we can have 13 over 50. As a decimal, it is 26 hundredths. So 26 in the hundredth spot looks like this. For the peach, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45% of that box is covered with peach trees, which is 45 out of 100. Or if we divide by 5, it could be 9 over 20. As a decimal, it is 0.45. And then for cherry, I have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I don't believe 29 can be reduced at all. I think it is a prime number. So it is 0.29 as a decimal. Make sure whatever way you choose to color it, it matches the numbers. So say if you did 20 boxes for apple, your number here would say 20 instead of 26. And you get to choose however many of each type, but you want to fill in the whole grid with trees. So make sure all of them are shaded in at least one color.